Hi everyone! Thank you for watching this video. This is Sheva from Berry Mix Bujo over at Instagram. For today, I have a junk journal with me for the Junk Journal September challenge hosted by Cassie of Dust to Roses. For the Day 15 of the challenge, I volunteered to be one of the collaborators for the prompt. The prompt is child, which is what I will be doing for today. But before I do that, I will be flipping through the junk journal that I'm currently using. I'm pretty much updated with all of the prompts. The last one that I put together is day 14. Day 14 is mighty. So I'll be showing you the page that I put together. It's a pretty simple one. I found this hymnal music sheet for Mighty God while angels bless thee. So I thought, it had the word mighty, so it's pretty perfect for the prompt. And I also included some religious ephemera, and then there is a passage from a book that's also related to the prompt. But for day 15, I will be using all of these ephemera that I have. I found this photo of Mason that I really wanted to use, and the latest collaboration, digital kit collaboration between Sharika of Postal Love and Cassie is also released. It's called French Fashion Children. So I printed a couple of pages that I wanted to use for this prompt, and then I also printed Cassie's own childhood memories digital kit that's also new. It's available in her Etsy shop, so you can find that. I'll put a link in the description below as well, so that you can easily find the digital kits. Then I have these pages from a golden baby book. This is also what I used in the day 14 prompt, so I thought, so that there's continuity, I'll use it as well. And then I also have some vintage ephemera that I also pulled out that I wanted to use for this prompt. I won't be talking much anymore. I'll just put you to music, and I hope you follow along the Junk Journal September prompts. There are many more coming in the remaining days of September. I really had a lot of fun following along and doing my own interpretation of each of the prompts, and I hope you also follow along for day 15, and I'm looking forward to your entries as well. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't.